Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Today, I will show you how to make money using AI tools. Many people are earning online with AI without showing their face and without big investment. You only need a smartphone or laptop, internet connection, and some creativity. Now let's see 7 AI business ideas one by one. 1. YouTube Shorts Automation. You can create short videos using AI tools. Use ChatGPT for scripts, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and CapCut for editing. Topics: facts, motivation, technology, or news. Upload videos daily and grow your channel. You can earn from YouTube ads and sponsorships. 2. Instagram Reel Editing. Many creators and businesses need Reels every day. AI tools make editing simple and fast. Use CapCut and Canva. Features: add music, effects, captions, and transitions. Create sample reels and contact clients online. 3. AI Voiceover Service. AI can create realistic voices in seconds. Use ElevenLabs and Murph AI. Service for YouTube videos, ads, reels, and audiobooks. Sell your voiceover service on freelancing websites. 4. Resume making. Many people need professional resumes for jobs. Use Canva and ChatGPT. AI helps you write and design resumes quickly. You can make resumes for students and job seekers. This is easy to start from home. 5. Poster designing for local shops. Every business needs posters, offer banners, and social media posts. Use Canva and Adobe Express. Visit local businesses and show your designs. You can earn money from each project. 6. WhatsApp chatbot setup. Businesses want automatic replies for customers. Use Zapier and Twilio. Chatbots help businesses save time and improve customer support. This skill has high demand. Start with one skill, practice daily, and stay consistent. AI is creating many new opportunities in 2026. Thank you for watching.